Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10 by 20 inch canvas, some Prussian blue coated edges, just because I can. I missed a spot that I applied with my finger and could probably do again. And I pushed it a little bit up over the edges so that it leaves no layer, but it definitely leaves a little bit of color, especially right there. Alright, so I'm probably going to use a bunch of colors, and I'm probably going to use a bunch of methods. That is some Venetian blue with a lot of Anita's metallic in it, and that is a color that is almost like the other color. Okay then, this is a folk art neon purple. It's a little gold. I'm just playing. I really just want to experiment. I mixed up some Anitas. There it is. I'm probably going to use some of my Amsterdam white in the middle of this. I definitely want to see what happens when I just... This is filler. This is my bottom, as Tara always says, I'm making a painting before a painting. I'm not using Floetrol because I'm not trying to get cells. I'm just trying to add a little color to the bottom, and I kind of want some more of the Prussian blue that I put on the edge to begin with, because I want that dark, dramatic look. And I almost forgot. I keep contemplating whether I want to do this down the center or I want to go in from one side, and I kind of want to go in from one side. And I think if I'm going to do that, I am probably going to go over here. That's pretty. I like that. I'm probably going to go over here with the Prussian blue and just use it. And maybe a little black, because I was thinking about the black. Maybe slightly less. Do I want to put any white in there? I'm going to do it. Just a dollop every so often. Nothing exact. And I don't mind if my blade has some other colors on it. This is basically just paint added to the canvas to help paint flow. I'm not trying to make a painting right now. Even if it looks like I am, I'm not. And I'm going to let that go right down over the edge because it needs to be a lot darker to match than it is now. So what I was really thinking about was using my airbrush, but I think you could do the same thing with a straw. And it's not a Dutch anything, and I'm not even sure it's going to be a blowover yet, but whatever it is, I love those little gold cells. Let's just use up the paint that's on my spatula where I see a little bit of canvas along the edge. I don't think that'll help. You know what else I want to do? I know that this color will darken, but right now I'm just kind of thrilled with the idea of using it. Maybe if I put something lighter with it. This is some folk art neon pink with a lot of Anita's white metallic in it. I'm going to flip that over. And use up what I've got. Yeah, I know that was kind of weird, but it doesn't matter because I didn't completely annihilate all the work I put in, just most of it. Now I'm just playing again. Alright, I'm not going to worry about that, am I? No. I'm going to throw that in the bucket so I don't cause myself any more danger. So I said the Amsterdam white, and I have a fairly uneven edge there, I guess. And I think I'm going to grab, since I just got rid of my smallest OXO omelet turning spatula, I think I'm going to grab my #1 Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And the Prussian blue is definitely something that will stain white. So I'm going to flip my spatula over halfway so I don't have as much Prussian blue staining my white, but I don't think it's going to make any difference. And I will probably add some more Amsterdam white. I went to the middle. Okay, well, at least it's a little off center, right? So it'll be a little more organic. I'm going to take all of my paint off of my spatula and use it on the edges, on the end. And I'm going to do what I said I was going to do. I'm going to add some more. Now, here comes the fun part for me. I am going to grab a shovel or two and throw the colors that I have in here, including the Hot Orchid from Color Art, which is a prism pour, some 24 karat gold from Decor Americana, some more of that blue. I seem to be relying on orange lately. It's a weird looking batch of colors right now. It's more of just all the colors I've already used. And probably some black also. And then I might give it a little bit of a stir. Maybe the Prussian blue instead of the black. Okay, so I'm going to take a painty-ended skewer. And my second shovelful might be different. No idea what this is going to be like, but I'm probably going to add some more paint to it. And I'm probably also going to grab, ooh, those are pretty in the shovel, so there is hope. There's always hope. Now I could definitely do some spirals right now, but I don't think that they would last. It's a dribbly mess right now. Doesn't do anything for me at all yet. Except for let me clean my shovel out. So let's try the straw first for a second and see what happens. I want to add some more of that Amsterdam white, and then I want to tip. And I really want some more blue, some black, but I'm going to use the blue instead. And this might be a painting already that I could like or love. Just let everything spread right out. I'm not promising there won't be any spirals, because there could be. I also want to play with the Floetrol right now because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. And I have a nice amount of Floetrol, and I grabbed myself a special new card, which is so fresh and clean that I have disappeared it into my line of sight, and it is not coming to hand. Okay, I found it! Yay! Okay, so you can see this because I've just dipped it in Floetrol, but it has a fishtail. It has a fishtail on the other end that I'm not going to use right now. I think I want some more gold in there. Yeah, definitely. Because why not, really? This is my version of a schmear. I'm going to wipe that off on my Lolify silicone mat. Grab a little bit more silicone. Excuse me, silicone. Yeah, right. Floetrol. Similar. Not really. A little more. Oh, those gold cells are awesome. So maybe I'll just do everything. Yep, so far so good. Keep wiping off my card so I have less paint to mucky up new paint. The Lolify skins, the skins that come off the Lolify mat are pretty amazing. Someday I'm going to use them. Okay, well there's that for a start. Now we're going to get fast and loose with my airbrush and see what happens. Whoops, that wasn't good. Okay, I had a paint bottle. I had an empty paint bottle with some water in it soaking so I could get the residuals out. And my airbrush is vibrating everything off the table. I kind of like that white up there. I want to do this enough so it makes some cells, but not so much that it muddies everything into a general mess. I'm trying to get that Prussian blue, but I'm definitely thinking it might be a good time to use a skewer instead. And I am going to use a skewer instead. Just waggle my way right along. Do I want some more gold? I'm not too worried about it. So I don't have a lot of heavy paint, but I have enough. You need a really light touch. Maybe the other end would be a better idea. Not that that one, it's hairy. I should have checked that out. I still want some gold up there. And I think I'm going to drag through right down at the bottom and put some similar marks. Because I'm dragging down to the Prussian blue that I started with. I like this piece. I especially like those gold cells up across the top. My little waggles aren't hurting my feelings any. It's not the same on both sides, which is really actually what I had in mind. Even though I wasn't planning on running right down the middle, and I did. My edges are pretty good. I think I'm done. So there's over 91,000 of you guys, and I forgot I was supposed to be telling you stuff as I went along. There's a monthly drawing, and you can find the drawing on the end screen video in the last 20 seconds of any video. I'm going to add a few spirals, maybe. Not so sure that one turned out as well as I liked it. Yeah, that's better. Just a few, not a ton. Yes, those are perfect. I am happy with those spirals. Especially when the white is near the Prussian blue, because it's a nice contrast, very dramatic. They're a little more uniform than I'd like. And I've got some deep paint. The heavy paint will be okay because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. My paint pouring recipe is below Show More underneath the video. Also underneath the video, if you click Show More, is my link tree with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. There isn't another one. Well, there probably is actually. There's another Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, but it's probably not listed there. Now, what do I want to do with those? Oh, decisions. Maybe I just want to use each dot to make like 10 more dots, and be careful to lift up high, because if I don't, I trail little tiny filaments that I don't want there. I like that. That's cool. That helps me with the the look I wanted with more cells, but I didn't want to go back and swipe again because I liked what I had. This is fun. I like this. And any little anomalous marks I don't care for, I can add some dots. Not that there are too many of them, because it's a pretty cool piece. It's definitely got its own character. I like the one heavy dot for making the other dots. It works really well. But you really do need to remember to lift up. Very cool. Happy with that. Thank you guys for being here, and if you're interested in more videos, you can always ask me. But I have organized my videos by the 100, and there are 18 lists because there are 1,800 videos plus. Also by topic and genre. Hopefully my head isn't completely obscuring your view, so sorry about that. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of fantastic, and I like that about it. I'll turn it around for you so you can see what I can see, but I'm pretty sure it's not that bad of a view from the other direction either. Well, there you go. I had some fun with lots of techniques. I love you guys. Please like my videos by giving me a thumbs up. Sharing them helps my channel survive, because I'm not getting the views I believe I might be entitled to, so your help is imperative. If you watch the videos longer, it's a huge assistance to me. If you watch them when the notifications come out, it's almost as important. The comments you leave me are valuable for two reasons. One is to help my channel, and the other one is you keep my morale boosted, and I really, really appreciate that. My email address is below the link tree. Should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, that is by far and away probably the best way of supporting the studio's production of videos, but my prices are to protect my collectors, and they are not insignificant, so be ready. If you have a piece of artwork that you would like to see reproduced as a reproduction, or on all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts or duvet covers or anything, I have two ways to do that. The all over print stuff is the Teespring link below the video, and you can ask for anything and I'll try and put it there. And the other way is FineArtAmerica and Pixels.com are on my link tree. And you will get a link on my link tree also from the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. There's like over 1,400 items there. My community board has tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, the Facebook group, also has tomorrow's video. My two books are on the Amazon link, where if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. They are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for checking out the drawing video on the end screen video. You can see the prizes shown and shared with you almost immediately when that video starts. And if you want to be included in that monthly drawing, all that's required is that you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, and you can find those icons on my YouTube channel header, banner on the bottom right hand corner, or on the link tree. That one mark was a little odd. Okay, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell. I'm going to attempt to zoom in. I see one more place I want to put a spiral. I will see you guys anon. Oh, I don't like it when the timer goes off when I'm trying to focus. Check that out. That's like a combination of a galaxy pour and a Dutch pour and all kinds of, and a swipe. It's all in there. I didn't put any chain in there, but maybe next time. I've got some larger canvases coming up, hopefully. They're all primed and ready to go. I just need the right idea. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery saying, I hope you watch some more videos. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Bye for now. Priscilla out.